As one of our first LUCCA espresso machines, we designed the LUCCA A53 Mini to bring commercial performance, modern design, and a satisfying brewing experience to your kitchen. To do this, we partnered with LUCCA for their decades of experience making commercial dual-boiler espresso machines. Hi, I'm Charles with Clive Coffee, and let's take an in-depth look at the LUCCA A53 Mini. The group head is the epicenter of espresso, where coffee and water meet to produce magic. This also happens to be where you'll find one of the A53 Mini's distinguishing features, its 53mm portafilter baskets. This unique LUCCA design is slightly narrower than the standard 58mm of most commercial machines, and as a result, the baskets are also slightly deeper to hold the same amount of coffee. We find that this deeper basket tends to be far more forgiving, resulting in far fewer instances of channeling than wider and shallower 58mm baskets. Included with the A53 Mini are a double-spouted and a bottomless portafilter. Nothing helps one learn to improve their technique more than being able to see the extraction as it's happening. We know this is a must-have for most dedicated home baristas, and hey, it's just fun to watch. In espresso, consistency is key, and the A53 Mini has a few more tricks up its sleeve to ensure that every shot you pull is as good as the last. Its precise, temperature-controlled brew boiler can be adjusted in 1-degree increments via the control panel on the face of the machine, allowing you to further dial in your coffee of choice. Its 2 programmable volumetric buttons can conveniently be set to dispense any volume of water and automatically stop. Not only does this offer an added level of consistency, it makes pulling a handful of shots in sequence that much more efficient, by allowing you to pull shots and steam milk at the same time. Speaking of steam, its 1.2-liter steam boiler and included 4-hole steam tip strike a great balance of power and precision, providing the means to quickly steam larger quantities of milk while still making it easy to nail your microphone. You can also draw hot water from the steam boiler at the touch of a button, making Americanos and tea that much easier. With near commercial performance, you might expect industrial size, but the A53 Mini stands a bit shorter than most other home espresso machines at just 15¼ inches tall. In combination with the thoughtful placement of a front-loading reservoir, this makes it one of very few machines that can fit comfortably below almost any overhead cabinets. This might seem like a small thing, but for many kitchens, this can be a make-or-break detail. Last but not least, the numerous available customization options are a big part of what makes the A53 Mini so appealing. Add them to a new machine and we'll install them for you free of charge, or pick them up down the line and we'll guide you through doing it yourself. The most unique of these options is the pre-infusion chamber, which enables an automatic gentle pre-infusion at the beginning of every shot, something which is rare for a reservoir espresso machine. The Luminaire automatic shot timer takes care of keeping time for you, automatically starting and stopping with every shot. Finally, our custom wood panels and portafilters are made right here in Portland, Oregon, and add a touch of warmth to these hand-built machines. Available in 5 different wood types, they give the machine a mid-century charm that'll impress any dinner guest, even Charles and Ray Eames. We designed the LUCCA A53 Mini for a home espresso experience that offers control, consistency, and clean modern design. We can't wait for you to enjoy it too.